Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I'm Toyosi Okumbowale, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from your AI marketing account. Okay, now a lot of people have asked this question, how possible it is to withdraw, within how many hours it will be delivered, and all of that. And so today I'm just going to show you how to withdraw into your Perfect Money account so that everybody gets clearer on that, and then we have people using it to just withdraw money from their account. Now let's go right into it. Now what we are going to do, the only thing you need to do is to sign in. I'm already into my account, inside my account, and you can just scroll down. Okay, come down to this tab that says transfer, click on it. When you click on it, you see it's asking for how much you want to transfer. I'm just going to put in $50 in here, and then click on this tab here saying continue. Okay, something is wrong. Let's do that again. Transfer, a $50 transfer, continue. Okay, I think I need to log in again because it's been a while I logged in. Okay, so let's do that again. Here we go. Click on continue. Now I have what I should see here, which is select the method. The first tab, the $50 is in there. They've said I'm going to receive $50, and then I have to select a method, which is Perfect Money. Our method here is Perfect Money. Now here it is. I'm going to be having to pay. I'm going to have to pay this fee of $3, meaning that what will get into my Perfect Money account will be $47 US. Now I need to go and get my USD account from Perfect Money. Now you just log into your USD account, your Perfect Money account. You see this $sign you see here, this number in front of it is your USD account, so you just copy it. Okay, so let me just copy mine. Okay, I'll copy it and then put it in here where they say payment details. You can see it starts with you. That's telling you that whatever it is you're putting here has to start with you. Great. Now click on transfer. Success. Withdrawal was created. Now you see this withdrawal in a few hours from now. It's going to reflect in my Perfect Money account. I'm just going to time it now, and then let's see how that goes. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours since we initiated the withdrawal from AI marketing into my Perfect Money account. And usually your withdrawals it comes into your account within 24 hours. But then from my own experience, I know that sometimes in less than 24 hours you get to receive your money. So what we are just going to do now is sign into a Perfect Money account. Okay, log in, and then let's see if we now have the $47 expected from AI marketing. Okay, so let's just do that right away. Okay, I'm to get the pin from my email, so I'll just get that right. Good, I got it now. Pin is on. Good. So let's see. Here you go. Now look at this. If you remember very well, I had just a few cents in here at the beginning of this video, but now you can see that the $47 is right here, and everything is fine. Everything went well in just 6 hours. Now can you note that before you do your first withdrawal from AI marketing, you need to have at least $100 out of your pending. Okay, AI marketing puts a limit, or would I say put a a requirement for withdrawal, for first withdrawal, which is you need to make your first withdrawal nothing less than $100. And what that means simply is that you must have $100 already out of your pending into your main cashback before you can initiate a withdrawal. I was able to do mine because before now I have been making use of, I think my first money already was over $100, and I pushed that back. You know, I reinvested that into AI marketing. So as long as I already scaled that requirement, I was good to go. And so I just said, okay, let me try to withdraw this 50 I already have, which is out of pending, and then it went through. Okay, but please, before you are allowed to withdraw, take note that you would need to return the $50 gift card you received upon sign up. I will share a video here also on how to do that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This brings us to the end of this video. Toyosi Egumboale is my name once again, and I'm pleased to have you here. Do show me some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay, and then be here for more updates. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.